What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Ethereum Classic, which has pumped up just about 13% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at just above $18. So we're going to be going through its prediction overall for 2023. What is its target? Is it going to hit $50, $100? How high and how low can this crypto go? Looking at, is it time to buy right now? Should you wait for it to drop down in value? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at where it's heading to overall this year, and also its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website, and we can see here the market is up just over a percentage in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And we can see Ethereum Classic is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain just about half a percentage. Over the last day, 12%. It all started very early this morning, as you can see. As soon as it hit today, 4th of January, it started pumping in value, and it is still ongoing right now. Over the week, 17%, slow and steady increases all up until earlier today. And over the month is an overall 6% down. Again, December was not a too good of a month for the crypto market. Most cryptos were down quite majorly for the month of December, but as soon as we hit 2023, most cryptos are slowly and steadily starting to recover, go up in value. But again, it hasn't fully recovered. It is just about starting to recover, so yeah, there's nothing too crazy. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 255% in the last 24 hours, making it $273 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on the Ethereum Classic. A lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, as more and more people start to trade the crypto, as it is starting to gain a lot of value. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Ethereum Classic, which at the moment is $16.17 here in purple. However, it is trading at slightly higher value at $18.02, meaning it is performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the blue and the orange line both looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So I would say probably towards the end of the day today, we should expect an overall minimal drop in value. However, in between that time, it is likely to head up to about $18.50 to $19 as well over the next 3, 4, 5 hours, and then slowly starting to drop in value down to about $17 is what my expectations are, somewhere around here. Again, nothing major. It's not going to be a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be very minimal, and as previously mentioned plenty of times, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like this one here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Ethereum Classic. So yes, I'm expecting a little bit of a drop over the next 12 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, we are still looking very bullish. However, it's not too realistic. Only reason for that is, as you can see, it is looking very, very steep, guys, and the only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taking place over the last 12 to 14 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on, based on what's happened over the last couple of hours, and that is why it's not realistic, and especially that the lines are looking very steep, going in a bullish direction. So guys, over the coming days, so let's say by mid next week, over the next 7-8 days, I'm expecting the value to overall take a little bit of a drop. And again, it is likely to drop down to about $16.50 to $17, somewhere around there by mid next week. But again, it doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. We are going to see red days, we are going to see green days. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now, as you can see guys, we're looking much more realistic. We're not looking steep at all. We do have the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what we should expect over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about late February, early March 2023. We should expect an overall minimal increase in value. We should be trading above the $20 mark by the end of February. So again, yes, we may be able to hit $20 between, like, even in mid-January to late January, we may be able to head over the $20 mark. But again, it's likely that it is going to drop straight back down in value, but that's not what we want. What we essentially want is for it to head up above the $20 mark and stay there and head upwards and onwards from there on to about $25-30 later on the year. But again, at the moment, it is likely we are going to be trading between around, let's say, $16 and $18 for now, and then slowly and steadily increase in value above the $20 mark. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Ethereum Classic. What I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see guys, we are still trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit $45.92, which we are not too far away from. Another about 200 to 300%, well, I'll say about 200% increase is required for us to hit that target. Again, I'm not expecting that anytime soon, but over the coming months, later on in 2023, we are likely to head into the green zone. Of course, depending on how the crypto market performs, with any major crashes, major bull runs, price pumps, this will have a major impact on the value of not just Ethereum Classic, but the crypto market in general. And anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good guys. I am expecting us to head into the green zone towards mid-year this year. But again, if you guys want regular updates on ETC Ethereum Classic, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video guys. Just a quick update on Ethereum Classic like a lot of you guys requested. Let me know in the comment section down below what your end of year target is for Ethereum Classic. What is the highest figure it can hit? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish. Personally, $100 is achievable from Ethereum Classic, especially that we've got a good 12 months left guys. A slow and steady increase in value depending on how the crypto market performs. $100 is possible. It should be able to do it, but again, it all depends on the crypto market. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A huge thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.